Welcome, in front of me is a POCO C85 and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, press the power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up boot options, and swipe up to turn off your device. Once the device turns off, hold the power button and volume up. And let go of the power button when you see the POCO logo on the screen. There we go. From here, using volume buttons, you can navigate through the options, and power button will be used to confirm wherever selected. But that's basically our recovery mode. It's pretty barren. It only has reboot, which takes it back to Android, wipe data, which is factory reset, and connect with the assistant. So anyway, I'm gonna leave it by selecting the reboot. With the power button, reboot to system. So yes, power button, and the device will now boot back up into Android. And you can see we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.